YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. All you gotta do is click on that. It'll take you right to this. Coming from TAGRY X08 True Wireless Earbuds. I already took them out and set it up on my tablet. You can use your tablet, iPhone, iOS, Android. This has wireless charging, LED power display, portable charging case, IPX5 waterproof, 33 feet with no obstacle. That's really good. Music playtime about 6 hours. iOS, Android, Windows, smartphones, tablets, standby 60 hours. Built-in mic, you could do your podcasts and everything else. Answer phone calls, listen to music while you jog, do your exercise. IPX5 waterproof, smart touch control. Really nice setup. But like I said, I already unboxed. Well, I already took them out. This is what you get. These are the extra earbuds, or the covers for the ears. You get the good old USB. It should have enough juice right now to show you guys a brief demo. But definitely excited for these. These sound amazing, guys. It all depends on what you listen to. I'm mostly hip hop, and it sounds amazing with the bass and great treble. Here we go. Check out this. Right here, it lights up. Here we go. Should show the left one too, unless. There we go. There's a USB, and back here is the back. That's where you stick it on a charging pad. It will charge it. Here are the earbuds again. Take them out this time. Super lightweight case, easy to slip in your purse, your pocket, your gym bag. Keep these in your gym locker or wherever you need it. Handy. Let's take a look at this one. Really nice, sleek design. It says all one touch. Sorry about the dust. I'm not sure what that's from though. Maybe these gloves. There's a charging port. Connect Bluetooth and everything. Like I said, it's all set up. It will flash red and blue. And then once you pair it up to your device, it'll hook up easy. But yeah, it's easy hookup. Let me grab my tablet. Be right back. Alright, goes to your settings. Bluetooth. Pair new device. It'll pop up X08. But mine's already connected. So give it a second to load up. But yeah, it's really simple to connect. Once you get it going, there it is. 100% good to go. Yeah, it's one touch. You can control your YouTube or Spotify, whatever you guys use these days. I have no clue. I just use YouTube, so call me old school, I guess. And let me check for non-copyrighted music. That is the best way to go doing these videos. Yeah, I gotta watch out for the ads, because they might flag it. You never know. Skip. I mean, these sound. See, one touch pauses it. And then, there you go. There's different modes. There's like a bass mode, A and C mode. And once you put them in the air, you could hear it. It'll tell you. See the volume? Oops. There we go. We paused it. Pause it again. You can do the picture-in-picture music, which is cool. And you could do the Google search or Siri, either or. But yeah, these sound amazing. I'm going to put it in my ear and show you. I mean, these are super comfy, guys. Whoa. Nothing but good things about these. If you're looking for a good pair to get as your permanent ones, like these are going to be, for me, definitely suggest these. The link will be down below. Like I said, it's easy peasy setup, easy peasy to hook up. And all you gotta do is click that link, add it to your cart now, and check out. Look at that. Boom. Now they're both charging up. We'll give that a few. So, the TAGRY, I think that's how you pronounce them. Sorry if I butchered the name, but TAGRY, XO8 True Wireless Earbuds. Excellent stuff. All right, YouTubers, be safe. Gloves are off. Have a good night.